Hello! It would be great if you could join us by clicking the like button, subscribe, and the bell next to it. Let's start!
Subject pronouns and object pronouns. The following are subject pronouns, object pronouns, and their meaning. Subject pronouns I, object pronounsnya adalah me, yang artinya adalah saya. Subject pronouns you, object pronounsnya adalah you, meaning atau artinya adalah kamu atau Anda. Subject pronouns we, object pronounsnya adalah us, artinya kami atau kita. Subject pronouns they, object pronounsnya adalah them, artinya mereka. Subject pronouns he, object pronounsnya him, artinya dia laki-laki. Subject pronouns she, object pronouns her, artinya adalah dia perempuan. Subject pronouns it, object pronounsnya adalah it, artinya itu untuk hewan atau benda. Subject pronouns. Let's look at the following sentences. Mari kita lihat kalimat-kalimat berikut ini. Saya sangat suka bermain tenis. I am keen on playing tennis. I am keen on playing tennis. Kamu sangat baik dan bijaksana. You are very kind and wise. You are very kind and wise. Kita tinggal di kota yang padat. We live in a crowded city. We live in a crowded city. Mereka ingin menjadi pemain skateboard profesional. They want to be professional skateboarders. They want to be professional skateboarders. Dia laki-laki memiliki rambut coklat keriting pendek. He has got short curly brown hair. He has got short curly brown hair. Dia perempuan menanam banyak bunga di kebun. She plants lots of flowers in the garden. She plants lots of flowers in the garden. Itu adalah sebuah kucing yang besar. It is a big cat. It is a big cat. Jika kita perhatikan di sini ada I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Posisinya ada di awal kalimat, yaitu posisi subjek kalimat. Object pronouns. Let's look at the following sentences. Telepon saya kembali dalam waktu 5 menit. Call me back in 5 minutes. Call me back in 5 minutes. Tuan Brown sedang mencari Anda. Mr. Brown is looking for you. Mr. Brown is looking for you. Mohon beritahu kami apa yang terjadi. Please tell us what happened. Please tell us what happened. Mereka sedang rapat. Jangan ganggu mereka. They are in a meeting. Do not disturb them. They are in a meeting. Do not disturb them. Apakah kamu bertemu dengan dia laki-laki? Did you meet him? Did you meet him? Kate tinggal di Bali. Hadiah ini dari dia perempuan. Kate lives in Bali. This gift is from her. Kate lives in Bali. This gift is from her. Pancinya berminyak. Saya perlu mencucinya. The pan is greasy. I need to wash it. The pan is greasy. I need to wash it. Nah, jika kita perhatikan, di sini ada me, you, us, them, him, her, it. Ini semua adalah objek pronouns karena posisinya berada pada objek kalimat. Rewrite the sentences using subject pronouns. Kita akan menulis ulang kembali kalimat-kalimat berikut ini menggunakan subject pronouns. Number 1. The children are playing in the park. The correct answer is they are playing in the park. Kita menggunakan kata they di sini karena the children itu lebih dari satu. Maka kita gunakan they yang artinya mereka. Number 2. Felicia enjoys skiing. When we rewrite this sentence, it becomes she enjoys skiing. Kita menggunakan she, yaitu untuk dia perempuan, karena Felicia adalah seorang perempuan. She enjoys skiing. Number 3. Tanya and I like reading a lot. The correct answer is we like reading a lot. Ketika kita menyebutkan nama orang dan diikuti oleh saya, seperti di sini Tania dan saya, kata gantinya adalah we, yaitu kami atau kita. We like reading a lot. Number 4. The dog has big ears. The correct answer here is it has big ears. The dog artinya anjing itu hanya ada satu di sini. Berarti kata gantinya adalah it. It has big ears. Number 5. My grandfather owns a boat. The correct answer here is he owns a boat. My grandfather artinya kakek saya. Kakek saya di sini ada satu orang, berarti kata gantinya adalah he, yaitu dia laki-laki. He owns a boat. Change the underlined words with the correct pronouns. Mari kita ubah kata-kata yang digarisbawahi dengan pronouns yang tepat. Number 1. Sam wants to see we today. Nah, the correct answer here is Sam wants to see us today. Jadi, objek pronouns yang kita gunakan sini yang tepat adalah us. Karena posisinya berada di objek kalimat. Sam wants to see us today. Number 2. Someone gave Mr. and Mrs. Smith a present. The correct answer here is someone gave them a present. Mr. and Mrs. Smith artinya Tuan dan Nyonya Smith. Ada dua orang. Berarti ini artinya mereka. Kata ganti mereka untuk objek pronouns adalah them. Someone gave them a present. Number 3. Tim's car is very clean. He washes his car every 2 days. The correct answer here is Tim's car is very clean. He washes it every 2 days. His car artinya mobilnya, mobil Tim. Nah, mobilnya di sini adalah benda mati dan hanya ada satu. Kita gunakan objek pronoun it. Tim's car is very clean. He washes it every 2 days. Number 4. I forgive Jack for what happened. The correct answer here is I forgive him for what happened. Jack adalah seorang laki-laki. Kata gantinya adalah him untuk objek pronoun. I forgive him for what happened. Number 5. Cindy is sick. Please give this bouquet of flowers for Cindy. The correct answer here is Cindy is sick. Please give this bouquet of flowers for her. Cindy adalah seorang perempuan. Kata gantinya untuk objek pronoun adalah her. Cindy is sick. Please give this bouquet of flowers for her. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. My name is Greg. blah 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 am good at skydiving. What is the correct answer here? The correct answer here is I. My name is Greg. I am good at skydiving. Number 2. Amy is my sister. I like listening to blah 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 singing. The correct answer here is her. Amy is my sister. I like listening to her singing. Number 3. Jason has 2 trophies. He puts blah 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 in the glass case. The correct answer here is them. Jason has 2 trophies. He puts them in the glass case. Number 4. The girls are in the schoolyard. Blah 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 are playing hide and seek. The correct answer here is they. The girls are in the schoolyard. They are playing hide and seek. Number 5. My grandfather owns a boat. Blah 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 goes fishing every week. The correct answer here is he. My grandfather owns a boat. He goes fishing every week.
Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching and we'll see you back next time.